last videos. So this is not a Bugatti Chiron or a Bugatti Veyron. This is a Bugatti Mustang GT. So when we drop the trunk here, we will not get a big drop. If you are experiencing kind of like a loose trunk to where you can kind of just freely play with it, you want to go ahead and replace these trunk supports here with brand new ones, because over time they go bad and the trunk kind of just has that loose feel to it. So let's go ahead and take these old ones out and replace them with new ones, and we will be able to have a better functioning trunk. It's actually not hard at all. You can kind of see that little tab on the back of the gas strut there. You can see the tab on the back. You kind of want to get you basically want to get a small screwdriver, and where you see that gap right there, you just stick it in there and pop that tab back on both the top and the bottom. I'm going to be using this pick right here to get that out. It's that easy. It's not hard at all. So once you get those two tabs pretty much pulled back, that top one pulled back, bottom one pulled back, you can go ahead and just remove the strut. And we're going to grab the new one. I'll show you the new one, and we'll continue with the install. Same on this side, is the same exact process on the opposite side. So just do the same thing. It's not hard. So these are the new struts here, and they will obviously go on the same way they came off. Here's kind of a closer look at them. Brand new. Same part, just, you know, new. That's all. Really want to get the bottom half installed first. So if you do the top first, you may get stuck at the top of that tail light housing. So just to be safe, start at the bottom. Same process, get the tab, pull that back, slip it on. Slip that on, top half. Just like that. You can see the difference in the support that it had previously to now. But that will conclude today's install. That is how you install the lift supports or trunk supports, gas struts on a 05 to 09 Mustang GT like this one I have here. Now, it is not only for this car. A lot of cars have these gas struts either for the trunk or for the hood support. So it just depends on whatever application you have. That'll conclude today's video. Like, share, subscribe if you found this video helpful. Leave any comments. Let me know how you like the video. Like, share, subscribe, Slow Car Repairs. Till next video, stay up. Peace.